What's going on, guys? It's your boy Javon from JayveeTV, and I'm back with another reaction video for you guys, man. Guys, I'm back with some more Lynyrd Skynyrd. Alright, guys, today I'll be checking out Freebird Live. Now, this is a band who I really enjoy, but I never check out any of their live performances before, man. You guys say it's a completely different experience, so I'm gonna see it for myself, man. I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm excited to hear how they sound live, man, because the studio version is always great. So you already know what time it is, guys. I already got the video pulled up. Now, this is Freebird Live at Oakland Coliseum 1977. I got my headphones on, man, and let's check it out together, guys. Freebird, Lynyrd Skynyrd. I gotta turn this up. Crowd go wild. Making that noise. Oh man, hey guys, hold on, man. I gotta sit up straight for this. Already, man, we out to a good start, man. It started off with some nice drumming and guitar just came in. You started making that thing squeak, man. Hold up. Run this back a little bit, man. Hey, all the way back. Look at that crowd.
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to see. But if I stay with you,
this the guitar.
things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. I swear I am.
Pretty for Oakland.
And this is what I'm talking about right here, man. Like, you just feel the energy. Man. Hold on, guys, man. I gotta say, man, like, Lynyrd Skynyrd, Like, I meant what I said, man. Like, this band, they have some of the best guitarists, man. Like, they're guitar players that know how to work that guitar, man. Hey, I gotta say, man, now hearing them live, man, like, I can definitely feel the energy that they're bringing to the stage, man. You know, like, you can just hear the guitar crying, you can just hear the little piano, you can just hear the drums, man. Like, the whole sound and instrumentals, like, they definitely bring it right now, man. The crowd is energetic, the crowd is pumped up, man. But let's dive right back into it, man.
Billy Powell, piano.
What is he using to make that sound effect? Sing it, man.
Though this feeling I can't change. But please don't take this so badly. 'Cause the Lord knows I'm to blame. If I stay with you now,
Can't stay here with you, girl.
well, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird. How about you, friend?
Get it, man.
And the bird will never change. And the bird cannot change.
Oh, yeah.
And this world you can have to change. Love, I can't change.
Hey, man, I'm ready for it, man. I'm feeling the energy. It's building up.
Lord, help me. I can't
Woo! Yeah. Hey. Let's get it, man. Woo! Yeah. 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 Yo. Damn. Yo, chill out, bro. Chill out. Yo. Man, he going crazy with it. And you ain't gotta do us like that, bro. Yeah. God. man. God. Hey, yo, guys, gotta say, man, they were killing me with it, man. Oh God. Now I see why you guys wanted me to check them out live, man. This is insane. Like, this is something else, man. They're definitely putting on a show, and I'm just here for the music, man. I gotta say, I'm here for the music. I see the flag in the back, but I don't care, man. I gotta say, like, this band was awesome, man. Like, they made some really great songs. I still remember the first time I heard Freebird, man. Like, that guitar solo just lost me, man. Like, I'm gonna leave a link to my first Freebird reaction up above. But guys, I gotta say, man, yo, now hearing them live and then now seeing this live, man, this is something else, man. This is like a whole new experience for me. You know, I gotta say, man, this is something else, man. This is amazing. I didn't even know that this band had so many guitarists in it too. Hey, let me run this back a little bit. Everybody going wild, man. That song's done, man. That is how it's done right there. They ain't done yet. Hey yo, guys, this crowd got more than their money's worth, man. Like, damn, I knew that the solo was coming, man, but seeing it live, man, it's like a whole new different experience, man. Like, I gotta say, yo, like, this concert right here, man, this concert seemed like it was lit. It was super packed too, man. I wonder how many people were in that audience right there. But hey, just everybody that's in the audience was having a good time, man. And yeah, that is how a concert's supposed to be like, man. Hey, Lynyrd Skynyrd, they definitely laid it down on this one, man. I love the blue piano solo. I love all the guitar solo. You know, it's such a nice song, man, and they really delivered on this performance right here, guys. Like, hey, that drummer, that guitar was about to make me get out my seat for a second, man. My man was just killing it. I was lost for words, man. I definitely was. But you guys let me hear your thoughts on this one down below in the comments. And I think my next Lynyrd Skynyrd song is gonna be "Give Me 3 Steps." And yeah, guys, if you have any more suggestions, you can leave it down below. And if you're new here to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's been your boy Jay. Peace.